Hey YouTube, welcome back to our van build series. In this episode, we're setting about to turn those recesses into beautiful arches. If you haven't seen the process built for making the recesses, be sure to go back and check out episode 12, where we do a full walkthrough on how we made them. Or go back to episode 1 and start there. Anyway, let's roll our title sequence.
Hey, if you're new here, we're Ben and Shelley, and we're in the process of building our dream home on wheels. It's not our first van, but this one's bigger, smarter, and a little bit fancy. So far we've soundproofed and insulated, fitted ceiling fans and water tanks, built the ultimate pull-up bed, and sorted a full off-grid electrical setup. With Shelley's dad Terrier helping out on the tools, we're slowly piecing together our ultimate off-grid van, one project at a time.
Alright, so we've made some solid changes to the van. We have our overheads in, and oh my gosh, they look fantastic. I actually think they make the van look bigger. But we've got the electrician coming this afternoon or tomorrow morning. So, you can hear the boys cutting in the shed behind me. So what we've got to do is we've got to get this wall on. But to make these look extra pretty, what we're going to do is we're going to put little arches in the side, really to finish them off. Now, this is not an amateur job, this is quite tricky, so normally it's easier to do a right angle. But as we're putting arches in, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So let me show you how we put arches in and what we're going to do. We've done a bit of experimentation. This is what we've come up with for our arches, which I really think these recesses, I was just going to make the recesses just feel super cozy, nice, and really take our van, or your van, to the next level of professionalism. So we played around with a few different sizes. This is actually cut off the side of a bin lid. So, you know, get inventive, see what you've got around. So this is the arch shape that's going to go in each corner of those recesses behind me. And what we've actually come up with is this is the 3.6mm lightweight ply. So if we soak this in water, it then can bend and fit in the arch, which is going to look really nice. So we are cutting 2 of these per arch. So there's going to be one here and one on the other side to give it some strength, and it's going to go around, and we're going to cut all of our 3mm ply to size. Now, there's a bunch of different ways we can do this. This one obviously didn't work. We did a few experiments this morning. We tried the cutting method, we tried routing out the back, but this method, well, cuts it, but if you want to go in, that works really well, but you can see all these lines, and on the other side, I don't think it'll pick it up on camera, but you can see the marks from where we've cut. So the best method that we've worked out is to wet them. So we are going to go soak our 3mm ply and cut our arches and install them, and we'll show you how schmicko this is going to look. So the reason why we are doing this today is because we need a power point to go in here. We've got the electrician coming in to fit that tomorrow. So we need to get going on this so we can cut the walls and get them ready to go. So what are you doing, Dad?
I've made this one as my template. Cut the other ones all roughly a couple of mil bigger. So just to make sure they all go in the same way, just put an arrow on there so that they always go up. So that if there's a little bit of inconsistency, they should be the same. And this one that Ben has cut, you can see he's just cut outside the line a little bit. So all we do is line this up. Tap down with a nail.
This is just a router blade.
This is what's
nice
called
router.
a flush trim router bit. So it's got a little ball bearing on the top that runs along that surface and cuts the material behind it. I find with them a couple of mil is about what you want to cut. If you're doing much more than that, they tend to bite and jam and carry on a bit. But yep.
So now you can see that matches our first piece, and they're all going to be exactly the same because it is hard to get them perfect, hey Ben?
To do by hand, yeah.
To do by hand. So have a piece, router it out. You could use a hand router, but this is so much easier. Well, Dad's doing it anyway because he's the pro. So we screwed our template strength pieces in. Now we soak and fit. Just casually watering your timber.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it makes it so much more flexible, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we've screwed in the little, what are they called? The templates to put on the side to give it strength, and we're doing our first test fit now. Looks so good. Oh my god, Dad, it looks so good. It's a bit long, isn't it?
Yeah, I've just needed to leave it a little bit longer.
So we made it a bit longer, and we'll chop that off. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I love it. It's actually so awesome. Ben just got back from Bunnings. I'm so happy with that.
See what I mean? I have to trim all that down. So it's all different.
Oh, because it's curved, this comes out more here than up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it pushes it out.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So, step 1, screw in the template.
Not really a template.
Yeah, what would you call them?
What are they?
Yeah, template thing.
Yeah.
It's kind of a template.
Well, the first one was a template.
I don't really know what else to call them.
You'll notice I've put a little arrow on these so that once they're cut, they're all actually sitting in the same way, just in case there's a little bit of difference. Possibly should have glued these in, but hey,
I don't think that's necessary.
I don't think it's going to make much difference, actually.
Just make a mess. One on the front, one on the back, and then the arch goes in the middle. Now we got our template guide thingy-mabobbies up there. It's time to wet the timber so it's malleable. I'm so excited for these. Pardon? That's the right word, right? Yeah. See, all good. Dad doubts me, don't ya? I'm so stoked for how much of like a centerpiece and eye-catching piece these arches are going to be. I'm so excited to see them. We've also got LED words aren't wording. LED dimmable switch lights, so we can have like a little mood lighting in these arches. So really going to be, yeah, a design, an excellent, hopefully excellent design piece and centerpiece of this amazing bed. Okay, we're soaking our bath. We learned that soaking is better than just putting the hose, running that underwater. So find something flat and long to soak them in, and then we can curve it. You're very bright today.
Hey, it's very bright.
You're very bright.
Oh.
Dad's got the goods. What's the trick to bending it?
Trick. Just gently. Not to get a bit of crease in this one.
You're gonna wet it more?
Yeah.
Bend a bit fast, got a bit of a crease in that one, so we're gonna go back and wet it a bit more, so hopefully we don't see a crease in it because it's just not gonna look as good. We've also got a nice little arched gateway from the back of the van to the driver's side. Sneaky hole. We will have a door that goes across this, but in due time.
A bit slower. I think I sort of bent it and worked it. I think I just might have went a bit
Too fast.
too fast on this one. I think it'll still be alright. Easy cut another strip and do it again.
This one's also going to be a bit harder to
It's a
bend
bit
because it's
tighter.
smaller.
Tighter radius. I think we'll be able to just fix that with a bit of putty and a bit of... I'll just try and get a little bit more bend in this when I take it out.
You can more see it. You can see it like here. Okay, so now we're going to cut off the edge, cut a little bit out for our strip lights, and then fit it again. He's wetting it again. Okay, chopped size. Fit number 3. my lord.
3. Pick number 3, my lord. Oh, okay. Number 3.
It was like a millimetre too long, so we'll cut that and put it back in. Number 4?
Before.
Oh, is it still? Oh no. It only just touches on the top, but I think that's perfect.
Yeah, I just have to. I think that'll be alright.
Oh, looks so good. Alright, these two are in. We've got to fit our third one on this side. This is our big one behind the bed. So these are all a bit wet. We're going to leave them for a good 4 hours, let them dry out. Once they're all dry, what we're going to do is come back and you can see how they come out a bit on the edge here. We're going to fix them all and make them nice and flush. So the wall is going to come flush up to here. Oh, it's going to look so good, especially with the strip lights all underneath that. It's going to look so cool.
The next day.
Morning, it's a new day and our arches have dried, so we can take them out. What we're going to do is take them out, we're going to glue them back in, and then when they hang out we're just going to get the multi-tool and chop around the extra, and then we'll nail them in and good to go. They're ready to be painted, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut out the walls and they're going to come up and cover this edge over here. So the wall's going to come up to here and then we'll clean off the wall and it should finish really, really nicely. So exciting day ahead. Also, side note, how cool that this is dried in the shape of an arch. I can't get it all in one camera, but one shot. Super cool. So pull this out and get to work. Another one of Terry's tips. Just wet an old rag and glue comes right off. Works every time, doesn't it?
What's on the menu?
Just like that, they're flush. Ready for the walls to go on.
A little sand first.
Yeah, fix it up. But they look really good.
Okay, so what we've done to cut the arches out, I've measured, cut a hole in, 10-15 mil in from there, somewhere for me to start. This is all being painted, so I've just put a couple of tacks to hold it in place. Plus, when we glue it to the wall, we glue it on later on, we will put a few little tacks in there as well, and we'll just putty them up and cover it up with paint. And then we just, hopefully, work our way down and cut it out to the shape. Yeah, I'm also trying to leave it a mil or two over, and I'll run around with a little flush trim bit on the little trimmer, router trimmer, and flush it up nicely that way. Though this actually cuts it pretty well, you could skip that if you wanted to.
It's much easier.
Much easier. The other thing is, it does tend to be a bit furry.
Furry, yeah.
I look so good! I love it! Oh my god, it looks like it! That's so cool!
About to cut the other arch in this. Let's get it.
Our new, hopefully, easier method. I've pre-marked this hole about somewhere close to the corner. No, that's wrong.
Where is it?
That's fine. I've just measured wrong. 320. I've gone 360, it should be 460.
Oh.
That's where it's supposed to be. The old 100mm trick.
Much easier.
Much easier.
It looks so good! Oh, it looks weird because it's a different colour.
Yeah, it's not getting painted, but
Yeah, I know. It looks so good though.
so much. It makes the van look bigger.
It does!
It really
Oh, that's
does.
an easy hole to fix.
Yeah, I'll
No point wasting it.
No.
We can do something with it.
Yeah, no, I'll make a little. I'll patch it with a diamond-shaped piece, and I'll do it from behind. Do it all up from behind. And,
Well, this is just making me realise that I really like the brown.
yeah,
So I'm really excited by the nutmeggy colour
yeah,
lime wash that I've got is similar-ish to this.
yeah,
Oh, yay, because that looks way too light.
yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
this looks awesome. I mean, this looks good, but like, colour-wise,
Yeah.
this looks so good.
But I reckon it just makes the van look bigger.
Yeah, I'll get up it. It really does, it looks massive. But how nice does the dark colour look?
Those are good.
Well, I think that's enough excitement for 1 week, so we'll wrap this episode up here. New episodes come out each Friday, so tune in for the next part of our van build. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and comment below, and make sure to subscribe, because it really does help. See you in the next one.
Just another day with BS.